to get down to this point where we're on the wheel speed sensor. By the way, that's a 5mm Allen. You gotta take the brakes off, take the rotor off, tire of course. That's how you get down to this point. You got an 18mm, a 19mm and an 18mm for your caliper and caliper bracket. Hey guys, we got a code C0035, front left wheel speed sensor, signal missing. If you live in these parts, rust is a big problem on vehicles, and this is what we got here. Wheel speed sensor, according to live data. Signal goes missing at slow speeds, so when you slow down on a brake, it trips the ABS pump and goes and you don't stop very well. Now, quick fix for this: pull the fuse or unplug the ABS box until you can get it fixed so it's not messing up your braking. But here we go, we got the wheel speed sensor out, but the plastic cover of the wheel speed sensor is still in there. I soaked it down overnight with PB Blaster, worked it, plastic still broke. The rust actually tightens it in there and ruins it, or it starts to push the sensor away from the pickup. You can see the little teeth in the gear down the hole, and that spins around, and this little guy tells your computer how fast you're going on that side. There you go. That's how it works. Well, this one was unsuccessful taking out. It broke. There was no saving it. So you can change just the wheel speed sensor, which would come with this wiring going up here. Unclip it, and boom, plugs in there. But see, now as this one broke off, we're gonna need a new hub assembly, and that hub assembly comes with a wheel speed sensor. I mean, you could extract that plastic, but I mean, this hub assembly looks old, rusty. Change the whole thing, and that's how you fix that. I mean, you could be having all different kinds of issues, but with these Silverados, Trailblazers, Blazers, stuff like that, up here in Michigan, everything rusts, and I see it all the time. The rust pushes the sensor out further, so it's not picking up the speed at slow speeds, tripping the ABS pump motor. There you go, that's how you fix that. I've got videos on doing hub assemblies on Silverados like this. If you want to go that route, or you could try to pick out that plastic, and then wire brush this smooth, this area, and then put a new speed sensor in. I'm going to go with changing the hub assembly. There's that code explained. Where I'm from, probably like 95% of the time, that's the problem. It's just rust buildup, swelling on the sensor. And having a scanner over there that can tell you what the speed sensors are reading really helps with your diagnosis.